Yeah, so a success story from actually a podcast. I was working with a client that was or a prospective client that was a little bit skeptical. They just wanted to run paid ads. They didn't really value the video content because it costs money. It costs a lot of money, and I get that. And they were like, well, I really just want to keep doing what's working, and that's totally fine. So they were actually a guest on a client's podcast, and we cut this podcast up into different segments. And then from one of those podcast segments, they were actually found by ESPN to be part of a docu-series they're going to put out. It's going to be like a 30-minute 30 for 30 special coming out in a couple months. They're like one of 3 people in the world because he talked about a very, very particular thing, and he fell into this one bucket. Someone from ESPN watched the video that we edited, which is crazy, and they called him, and now he's going to be featured on an ESPN spot. So I would say, what's the ROI of organic video? It's like, there's some right there, brother. Yeah. So really cool story. We're really happy for them and happy it worked out.